Colombia. Welcome to Second News. Today, Saturday 26, we have the following news. Well, we start tonight with a special report from City of Sincelejo, Department, Sucre, Colombia. Last January 29th, SECA participated with a group of teachers in the call 909 of the Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation to aspire to scholarship for doctoral studies at the national level. More than 1,600 teachers from higher education institutions participated in the country, but only 236 were financeable. Our institution applied 5, were selected as follows. Liliana Mesa Cueto, Research Professor of the Psychology Program with position 38. Yolanda Cardona Arts, Research Professor of Business Administration with positions 55. Guillermo Hernandez, Engineering Program with positions 79. Tatiana Mercado Cobo, Research Professor of the Public Accounting Program with positions 80. And Mario Fran Perez, Research Professor of the Industrial Engineering Program, who occupied positions 189. We congratulate our future doctors in psychology, administration, information, communication, technologies, and innovation. On the other hand, our university projects expand these doctorate applications to other faculties as a great project of educational advancements and training of the institution's teacher. I'm Nidia Martinez reporting for Second News. Good night, everyone.
Nidia.